See, the problem with most people is they don't value themselves. They don't feel like they're worth anything. And whether it's conscious or subconscious, at the end of the day, they don't think they deserve more out of life. They don't think they deserve better. I used to be this way. I was just like you. Ultimately, we get convinced throughout life that we're not good enough. We're not tall enough. We're not skinny enough. We're not rich enough. We're not smart enough. We're just not enough. So in order to get past that, I developed what I call the Sacred Six. I'm going to share them with you real quick. Number one, you have to forgive yourself. Everybody deserves a second chance, even you. So go ahead and forgive yourself and make sure that you do it out loud. Number two, you want to commit. Commit to do what you say you're going to do. No more procrastinating. No more giving your word and then breaking it to you or anybody else, but especially to you. When you commit to doing something, you fucking do it. Okay? Number three, you want to rack up the wins. Success is just the memory of winning. So you basically just want to rack up those wins by going out every day and doing small goals, not big ones, small ones that you know you can achieve. It doesn't matter that they're easy. The brain doesn't know. The mind doesn't know whether it's easy or hard. It just knows that you're winning. And once you start getting in the habit of winning, your mind starts picking up the fact that you're a winner. And then when you're a winner, you start sitting up a little taller and you start feeling like you deserve a little more, and you start to get a little more upset that you're where you want to be, or you're not where you want to be. So you're starting to get a little more upset about it. And then you start taking more action. See this whole patience bullshit? You don't have patience, folks. You'd have the opposite of patience. You throw patience out the window. You get pissed off that you're not where you want to be, and you go out and put more effort. You frickin' increase the action. You don't frickin' decrease the action. You don't frickin' relax and say, well, things take time, I'm just going to relax. I guarantee you, if you throw patience out the window and you put more attention and more focus on where you're going, you're going to get there much quicker. Okay? So you want to forgive yourself. You want to commit to do what you say you're going to do. You want to rack up the wins by setting small goals. Then you want to get rid of all the negativity. Especially your negative talk. You can't have negative talk. Every time you catch yourself talking negative, talking limited to yourself, just catch yourself and reverse it. You know, if I catch myself, well, I'm not good enough for that. Dude, I'm damn good, and I'm way better than I think I am, and I can tell you what, I'm good enough to do that. The question is how can I do that? I hope the universe brings me the answers. I need to start looking for how. Do you know how I can do that? Do you know how I can do that? Start to ask people, start shaking hands, start making introductions. Your network grows. Next thing you know, sure as shit, somebody knows how to do what you need to do. Then step 5, I need to visualize. I need to get clear on what it is I want, and I need to get clear on who I am, and I need to understand what it feels like to be there. The feeling is the key everybody's missing with the laws of attraction. And then 6, I need to freaking get new knowledge every day, man. Pick up a book, listen to a podcast, check out my Instagram page, follow Brad Lee, share my posts, help people on a daily basis learn new information. But most importantly, make sure you get new information. And literally, I'm telling you, within 60, 90, 180 days, you're going to start feeling like you're worth a lot more. Why? Simply because you do what you say you're going to do. You're going to start having what's called integrity. You're going to start feeling better about yourself. You're going to start, realizing that certain people are treating you poorly and you're not going to stand for it. And then you're going to start getting rid of those people. And then things change. Next thing you know, dude, you're kicking ass, taking names, and just continue to do that the rest of your life. And that cycle never ends. The Sacred Six, you do it. Make sure you're doing it on a regular basis.